And a nationwide convoy made its way to Niagara today, where demonstrators were seen blocking highway traffic coming into Canada. Jason Gaidola joins us live in Fort Erie at the Peace Bridge with the latest. Jason, how did it all unfold today?
Well, Nicole, authorities got the early jump earlier by blocking large portions of the QEW heading stateside, but the convoy still found its way into the town center. If you look right behind me, a lineup of trucks has been created all the way down Garrison Road. We're at the corner of Garrison and Central Avenue, where the protesters have completely blocked the area, not allowing traffic to get through. And again, these trucks are trying to get to the United States, delivering goods and other items, but again, it hasn't been moving so far in the last hour. But earlier today, again, the protest was taken all the way down to the QEW. This is what happened earlier. Protesters had made their way actually onto the highway and blocking another transport truck. Police had gone onto the scene. They actually contained the crowd. They didn't remove them. They contained them, creating one lane, allowing traffic to head back into Canada. Police again, did not remove them. You saw protesters shaking their hands, fist bumping them, and even trying to take photos with police. They were there for well more than an hour. And today, many protesters, they're here claiming wanting freedom, but not so much about wanting freedom for truckers. Here's what some had told me earlier in the day.
What freedom did you lose, though?
We're losing it day by day. We're losing our freedom.
You're here right now, though.
Yeah, but look what's going on.
So you don't think this is free going on the highway right here?
No. What I think is freedom is when we don't have to go and have a protest saying we don't have our freedom.
For me, I wanted to be here. I wanted to show that I'm Canadian. I wanted to show that the Constitution of Canada exists for a reason. And most people are here for whatever different reasons there are. If you go into the Constitution of Canada, actually read it, that's what we're here for.
You yourself wouldn't want to see the border blocked, though.
Well, if it takes what it takes to get things done, we got to stop all this illegal mandates. That's all as far as I'm concerned.
Now, we did reach out to OPP and Niagara Regional Police, and we asked if any arrests or charges will be laid, or if there's anything that they've saw that could result in such infractions. And OPP have not responded to our request, and Niagara Regional Police tell us that there have been no arrests so far at this time. The QEW is still closed, only allowing traffic coming back into Canada in. Heading to the stateside is still closed, and as of right now, the protesters have made their way here at Central Avenue and Garrison Road. Once again, this is the scene. They have blocked the road completely. A lineup of trucks heading to the States, trying to deliver goods. They have all been stopped, ironically, but this doesn't seem to be slowing down at any point of the night.